Namaste. Welcome all of my friends. What is the meaning of mantra I heard did in my last YouTube channel? Now I will explain about the Soham mantra. Soham mantra is the universal mantra and it is the very beautiful and very easy. You can chant any time, anywhere, any place that no need any specific time. Soham is a Hindu mantra that meaning Soham. So means that, Ham means I, me. So Soham means I am that. And Soham mantra specially give you direction how to connect and identify with universal and ultimate reality. Soham means I am Brahman, I am supreme reality, and it is very easy if you doing practice daily, morning and evening. You find lots of positivity in your life. So meditation is a very powerful mantra meditation than others. It is very powerful. It helps increasing your concentration power and discover our true inner self, our nature. Who am I? You doing Soham mantra meditation or doing Om mantra meditation, both are same. Here just Om means universal mantra and Soham also universal mantra, means I am that, and Om is only supreme reality, supreme absolute. Especially Soham mantra considered to as a breathing mantra. It is processed by or with breath. And when you start this meditation, you realize when you take breathe inhalation, so you chant Soha, and when you exhalation, you breathe out and you chant Hum. That you're not chanting means loudly, means you think when take a breath, so means that, and Hum means me, means that I am, I am that. And this process usually used in pranayama technique. Actually, every person repeat this meditation or chanting. There are no any rules and regulation. No more many rules. This meditation, and this meditation is different from other meditation because here only you focus your breathe, inhale and exhale, and then your mind search the sound of Soham. If you focus your breath and sounds yourself, you find an inner peace, and it is easy to the practice. And the Soham mantra is helping. It is take you in the higher consciousness. It is easy. You can come out negative energy. It is good for anxiety, depression. You have lot of tension in your daily life. You can see and practice. And it is the best medicine for the mental disease who have lots of thoughts in mind, who have lots of stress. That is the best medicine, best meditation. You can use anytime if you know once, but it is need very slowly. And some people doing very fast. So no. So it is you don't practice any breathing. You just focus your breathe rhythm. Focus your breathe, inhale and exhale rhythm. And you so I am that. You think I am that. Second things, if you practice Soham mantra regularly, you feeling stronger the connection between their internal masculine and feminine principles. You find balance your masculine and feminine energy. It is the benefits. And it is more important who suffer mental anxiety and tension. If you take lot of medicine, lot of drugs, drinking alcohol, you don't need anything if you practice this Soham meditation. And Soham meditation is very beautiful because it is improving to leads enlightenment and immediate to find the benefits of meditation. Immediate find the benefit of peace. If you want peace, benefits, you need to start today. I'm not force you can do, but once you start, it is not give you money, it is not give you anything, but it is give you peace. And you start any guidance or start yourself or any social media, you find video and then you start, you find the result. And if you want to learn, I will make this meditation video. You can follow my video and practice. I hope you find positivity. So, and the Soham meditation, it is said the jiva means individual soul how to get unity with Supreme Brahma. Means you and that is both are one, not difference. That means Supreme Brahma and you means Hum means individual soul. There is no difference. Because when is difference, there is separates. And where is separates, there is illusion and there is people suffering. It is very simple and easy process. You get enlightenment. And you have chance to find peace. If you have no knowledge about, you have no time, you can do this short meditation and find benefits more in your life. So I hope you are practice and find benefits, and any problem you can ask, and you can ask any guru, any spiritual teacher, and at least you do practice. Without practice, just listening YouTube and just reading some books, you have no any time to practice. This is just like a, empty. Because if you want benefits, you need give time to this practice to start your spiritual journey. If you have no time more, you can do in morning and evening, just 10 and 5 minutes, 15 minutes, what is your possible, you can do. And I hope you will practice. And next time you follow my next video. Thank you. Welcome.